Car care and repair can be expensive, especially if you don't know what the problem is. While you can take it to a mechanic to diagnose the problem, having some automotive expertise and a DIY attitude can save you money and time by locating the issue yourself. And making it easier than ever is an onboard diagnostic tool, OBD2 scan tool. This device will communicate with a car's onboard computer system to see what issues the sensors and computer detect, as well as tell you why that pesky check engine light remains on. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best OBD2 scanner. So let's get started. Number 5. OBDLink MX. The OBDLink MX is the recommended scanner of the team behind FORScan, one of the preeminent vehicle diagnostic apps. That's a feather in its cap, but there are a lot of reasons to recommend something, so we decided to test the OBDLink MX on its own merits. What we found was a fairly standard Bluetooth OBD2 scanner with some good points and a few flaws dragging it down. To start with the good, it works with basically every app, not just FORScan. OBDLink does have its own app, OBDWIs, but it's awful. Apps are noticeably faster with the OBDLink MX than with other Bluetooth scanners. We're also happy to see them paying attention to security, which other scanners sometimes overlook. And speaking of oft-missed frustrations, this scanner also does a great job of not draining your vehicle battery. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 4. Launch CR319 Code Reader. The Launch CR319 is an OBD2 code reader with an interactive screen. It takes several design cues that are distinct from all the others, resulting in a dongle that's not afraid to look old school if that means it's easy to use. This is by far one of the cheapest scanners available. The question is, does it feel cheap? It's certainly not missing any key functions. After plugging it in, you can clear warning lights, use I/M monitors to see if you're ready for your emissions test, and get real-time information about your engine. It's nice that it defines codes for you, instead of just giving you information to relay to your mechanic. The CR319 runs off your vehicle battery, so it never needs to be charged. The interface is straightforward, with very few controls. Without looking at the manual, we were able to look up codes in the library. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 3. Foxwell NT201. The Foxwell NT201 is the younger sibling of the NT301, which we placed higher up on this list. Compared to that scanner, the NT201 is cheaper but lighter on features. The data it displays isn't as complete and can't be printed from a computer, nor can you look up codes in a library. Okay, enough about what the NT201 can't do, let's talk about what it does. In every other respect, this is a complete consumer-grade OBD2 scanner, able to read and erase codes, check for the location of an engine misfire, and conduct engine component and emissions tests. It can also monitor limited live data, such as your engine coolant and RPM. We really like the user interface here, especially compared to other scanners with their own digital control panels. The NT201 has a knack for giving you the exact codes you need to bring into the dealership. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 2. BlueDriver LSB2. The BlueDriver LSB2 is a Bluetooth-powered, 2-part OBD2 scanner. The device plugs into your OBD2 port to read information from your vehicle, while the other part, an app on your Android or iOS phone, receives the diagnoses for why your check engine light has turned on. Ease of use is the major selling point of the LSB2. It's an extremely simple plug-and-play solution. The app is user-friendly even if you aren't a digital native, and it's also capable of providing live information while you drive. But there's one other reason to go with this product, and that's the extent of the information available. BlueDriver really digs deep to get important data out of the cracks and crevices. On a wide range of vehicles, the enhanced diagnostics keep you informed about things like your airbags and anti-lock brakes that other scanners leave out. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 1. Incel AD310. The Incel AD310 is a basic OBD2 scanner that's perfect if you want to keep the tool in your vehicle without taking up interior space. Using a wired connection to the car's port, the scanner can collect and clear basic trouble codes involving the check engine light. The design of the AD310 is the highlight of the product. Featuring a large, colored LCD display, it's easy to read in poor lighting conditions. The controls are also easy to use while navigating the simple menu layout. Since it connects directly to the car, it doesn't require any batteries to work. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. That was our list of the top 5 best OBD2 scanner just for you.